Manchester property investment, the UK's northern star for capital growth. Okay, let's cut to the chase. If you've been lurking in the UK property space for more than 5 minutes, you've probably heard someone rave about Manchester. And guess what? They're not wrong. Manchester's not just hype. It's real, raw, ridiculous potential. I've been in this game for 12 years, and honestly, if I had a tenner for every client who's doubled their capital up north, I'd probably retire in Cheshire and sip wine in my garden all day. So what's the fuss? First off, location, baby. Manchester sits pretty in the northwest, but it punches way above its weight. You've got that sweet combo. Booming student population, hello, 4 major unis, thriving tech and creative sectors, and major regeneration projects popping up like mushrooms after rain. Ever heard of Noma? No, not the Copenhagen restaurant. I'm talking about the £800 million regeneration project near Victoria Station. I had a couple from Surrey invest in a 2-bed us plan that back in 2021. They thought I was nuts. Now, they've just refinanced and pulled out $42K in capital uplift. Mad, right? But what's really driving the capital growth? Let me hit you with a few key points real quick. Undersupply of rental stock. The demand's mental. Young professionals, students, and even Londoners escaping the southern price tag. I mean, I helped the nurse from Croydon relocate to Deansgate last October. She's paying half her old rent and loves the lifestyle. HS2? Yes, still a thing, sort of. Even if it only partially goes ahead, the buzz has been baked into Manchester's prospects. Investors love a transport story. It's like catnip for yield chasers. Cultural magnet, football, music, art, nightlife. It's not just about bricks and mortar. People want to live here. That drives occupancy rates sky high. Oh. And did I mention the rents? I manage a few units in Ancoats. 1 bed's going for £1,250 a month, like hotcakes. 5 years ago, that would have sounded insane. Now, it's standard. Now here's a curveball. Not all areas are created equal. Don't fall for the shiny brochures. Let me tell you about a mistake I made. Yep, me. Bought in Cheetham Hill off the back of some imminent regeneration plan. Spoiler alert, still waiting. It's like watching paint dry on a rainy day. Meanwhile, my pal went in on Salford Keys before the BBC fully moved in. He's laughing now. His flat's worth double. Literally. So where should you be sniffing around in 2025? New Islington. It's the shortage of Manchester, or without the annoying queues for brunch. Trafford. Family-friendly, strong local schools, and investors are waking up to it. Victoria North. 15,000 new homes incoming. It's like getting into Canary Wharf in the 90s. Honestly, I had a call last week with a guy from Birmingham. He's already got 3 HMOs there. And now he's shifting his focus entirely to Manchester. His words? Feels like Brum 10 years ago. And I agree. But let's be real, what's the catch? Competition's fierce. Deals don't sit around. You blink, you miss. And yes, there are some overpriced flats floating around with luxury slapped on them. Do your due diligence. Walk the area, if you can. Talk to local agents, not just the developer's team. And for the love of God, check the ground rent clauses. Want to play it smart? Look for below market value resales. Distressed sellers are out there if you know where to look. Off-plan with realistic timelines, not pie-in-the-sky 2028 completions. Small boutique blocks, less competition when renting out. A little trick I use? Watch the cranes. Where there are cranes, there's council backing. Where there's council backing, there's growth. One last story before I go, just to hammer it home. I had a first-time investor, 28, no property background. We picked up a 2-bed in the Green Quarter in 2020. Bought it at $190K. See this? Fast forward to now, it's worth $265K, fully tenanted and netting £850 a month after costs. He's now eyeing a second one. And yeah, he still sends me beer every Christmas. So, still think Manchester's just another city? Think again. Honestly, it's not the Northern Star for nothing.